Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to fix Facebook notification not working. So for you to do that, you have to click on settings, then you scroll down to notification. You can see it up here. Then we search for Facebook. You can see Facebook. Then you toggle on allow notification. Good. After then, you toggle on time sensitive notification. After that, then you check these three boxes under lock screen. You check notification centers. You check. Then banners. You check. You can see. Good. Then we come down to this part, notification, Facebook notification settings. Then we tap on it. Then we toggle off this mute push notification. After that, we have successfully fixed our Facebook notification not working. Thank you.